Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app, Http Custom, and today's settings, they will help you to get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So this app is known as Http Custom. So I'm gonna show you on how to set up with SSH settings. So stick along with this video until the end. So on this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection and extra layer of security when you are browsing online. So in case you don't have this app, it is on Google Play Store. So the app is known as Http Custom. So head over to Google Play Store and you search for Http Custom, and among the presented you pick this one and you install it on your device. After installing this app, to set it up you must open it and it will run on the home screen. So today I'm gonna show you on how to set up the SSL and the payload settings plus the SNI. So altogether it's known as the SSH settings. So I'm gonna show you on how to do that very easily. So in my other videos I will show you on how to set up these other protocols. You just simply comment down. You can either comment VTray, UDP, slow DNS, siphon. I do that all. So for today's guide, let's first set up the SSH settings. So to do that, you must obtain a working SSH account, and let me take you step by step on how to create an SSH account which work along with Http Custom in order to provide you with a super fast and a secure connection when you are online. So first of all, you are required to head over to your Google Play Store and install the Http Custom app. And after installing the Http Custom app, you are required to create the SSH account. So you open Google and then you search for, or you open any other search engine, you search for SSH Ocean, and among the presented you visit the SSH Ocean website. This is where we are gonna create our SSH account that will help us to set up the Http Custom app in order to achieve a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when we are online. So before we begin this tutorial, please you use VPNs responsibly and you follow your local laws. Also you read VPN terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And after doing that, let's begin the tutorial. So when you reach on SSH Ocean, tap on the hamburger icon or the menu button, the three lines, and when you tap on them, you will see a list of services. So you, among the presented, you opt for services. So you tap on services and you pick SSH web socket, and you scroll down until you find the servers. So from the presented servers, you can pick any server you prefer as long as it is online. So you click on get started below a server. So you pick a server near to your location. So you can see this one is in Netherlands and this one is France. So you can pick a server near to your location for a better speed. And the other thing is you must make sure that it is online. So you click on get started, and when you click on get started, You scroll down below and you can check for the server. If it is online, then you proceed. So the server we have chosen, it is currently online. So you click on get started again. And as we proceed, this tutorial will help you to achieve a super fast and a secure connection. In case you follow it along and you do what is presented in the video. Also make sure to follow this video from the start to the end so that you don't miss any important steps within the video. By doing so, you'll be able to set up HTTP custom and achieve a super fast and a stable connection when you are online. So when you reach here, you are required to enter any random username. Make sure you will remember it, and a password. So you enter here any username of your choice, and also you enter any password of your choice. And after doing that, you verify I'm not a robot, reCAPTCHA right here. Then you click on create account. So when you click on create account, you'll be patient as the website processes your request and it creates your account. And within a few seconds, you will see that the website will automatically create your SSH account, and you are required to copy the payload right here. So you copy the payload, you copy it just like that. Then you go back and open the HTTP custom. On the home screen, you check use payload. Then after checking that, you also check this one, SSL. Then you tap on hamburger icon. So then from here you tap on payload, and conclusively you paste here the payload in the payload field. After that, you apply your settings and quickly run back to the SSH website, and then you meticulously and accurately copy the account details. So when you reach on the SSH account, like the SSH Ocean, you copy the account details. You make sure you copy all the account details. You copy just like that. Then you can save them in a notepad. So if you don't have any notes app, you can install one from the Google Play Store. Then you paste them somewhere for future reference. Then from the saved account details, you copy the host name. You copy the host name and open HTTP custom app. So you enter it right here in this field. So make sure to follow along the gate, and after that you enter this semicolon or the double dots, those ones. So as we proceed with the settings, if you are new on this channel and you have not yet subscribed on this channel, please you take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And you can comment in the comment section where you need help, and let's proceed with the setup. So next we are following the app order. So for the next, it requires the port. So you head back where you saved the account details. Then from you can use a port any of the presented. You can use 443, so let's use this one, 443, and you paste it right here, 443. Then you put that sign, that each sign. So then you have to bring in the username. So we are actually trying to set up HTTP custom, so make sure to follow along, and also you pay attention. So you come back to here, then you copy the username, then you go back to HTTP custom, make sure that you are accurate. Then lastly you enter there the semicolon again, then you bring in the password. So you go back where you saved your account details and you copy the password, and then you paste it right here. So right now the settings are put in place. The account server details, we have actually transferred it to the HTTP custom app. And the other setting is you are required to go back to the 3 lines or the hamburger icon, you can call them the navigation drawer, where you see the payload. You open that, then we are gonna do some changes on the payload. So from this field where you see SNI bag host, from here you enter your country working SNI. So this step is crucial, and in my recent videos I shared with you on how to get SNI, so you have to check the description and you watch that video, then you know how to get one. Then after you getting a working SNI of your country, you come, then you put it right here. So you delete this, so make sure to be accurate. Then you put here your country working SNI. So this is just an example, don't put this one. So you put your working SNI of your country, make sure it is valid, and after that you click on apply. So you click on apply and after applying the settings, you are left with one more setting. Tap on the hamburger icon again, then where you see SNI, open there, and right here you also enter a working SNI of your country. So I said I have left a video link in the description showing you on how to get a working SNI of your country. This SNI is crucial. It helps to enhance the connection and it will make the connection more secure when you are browsing online. So after entering here the SNI of your country, so make sure to put here a valid one. So you watch a video in the description, or if you have the SNI, just put it there, then you click on apply. And after doing those simple settings, make sure to cross check your settings and you are left to click on the connect button. And that's how we set up HTTP custom with SSH settings to get a super fast and a stable connection, extra protection when we are online. And when you click on the connect button, the app will be connected and your connection will be secured. So let's meet in the next video. Remember to use VPNs responsibly, following your local laws, and always use always read VPN terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. Comment in the comment section. You can tell us which video you need next, and enjoy a super fast and a secure connection with HTTP Custom SSH settings.